I knew going into this that staying at home would be enough to help stop the spread, but I felt like I should be doing more. And having the experience doing 3D printing through work gave me an opportunity to support the needs of the community in a meaningful way very quickly. So originally we were thinking, well, we'll make a couple hundred, donate them, feel good about ourselves. And then once they gave us an answer, the answer was in the thousands.
As far as I understand it from the responses that we've gotten from Arnett and Guthrie, it can be over 1,000 per day of these face shields being used and being discarded at the end of the day. So there's a significant need.
We've designed our masks with the intent that they can be reused, they can be sterilized and cleaned and used more than once.
Seeing this all come together and being able to deliver, over 2,000 face shields to local hospitals in the next few days is just fantastic. It's really humbling and, empowering in a sense that the community can come together in a time of need and put together such an inspiring effort.